Why, hello and welcome back. This is Nikka Nadia with the Intro to Belly Dance series, and we are going to do a chest drop, starting by finding our posture. Feet are a small hip distance, not so wide, not squeezing together, just a small hip distance. Knees are softening, chest is opening, lower belly lifting, lower back lengthening. Smiling and present in your body, happy to be here. Let's practice our chest drop. Imagine someone had a string attached to your sternum, your breastbone. You're lifting up and then releasing. Up, release. So it's a dropping. The accent is down. If you just did the lift with me, very similar, just accent is down. Notice it's not my shoulders, okay? It's just my rib cage. It's not my lower back, just my rib cage. Dropping and dropping. Almost like a big exhale, a sigh of relief. Drop, 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 accent down. Down. I'm breathing naturally. Down, down, down. If you want to try a few big sighs to find the action, it's helpful, but please maintain a smoother breath than that so we don't get lightheaded. Down, down. You may feel your abs working, your back muscles working. Drop and drop, 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 drop. Accent down, 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 down. Double time. Down. Down, 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 and down, 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 down. Rest. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining, and I will be back very soon.